This quick video shows the process to assemble your round glass wind guard from the Outdoor GreatRoom company. Glass wind guards are a popular accessory to help reduce the effects of wind on the flame, provide a safety barrier around the fire, and create a unique reflection of the flame off the glass. You will need the following tools to complete this project: a Phillips screwdriver and soft protective gloves. Note that it is necessary to assemble the glass wind guard upside down on a flat, soft surface. Lay out your top clips and insert glass panels as shown. The 20-inch round glass guard will have 4 clips and the 30-inch round glass guard will have 5 clips. Rest the bottom clips in place on top of the glass panels. Assemble the rod through the bottom pad, then through the bottom clip, then loosely thread the rod into the top clip. Make sure glass panels are positioned tightly into the clips and tighten the rod using the Phillips screwdriver so that the last thread is not visible. Repeat this process for each rod and set of clips. Once secure, carefully flip the wind guard over so it rests on the bottom pads. Locate the set screws. They should each have a small silicone pad adhered to the end of the screw. This pad will make contact with the glass surface. Using a Phillips screwdriver, loosely thread the set screws into each clip so the pads barely make contact with the glass panel. Similar to how you would secure lug nuts on a car tire, use an alternate pattern to tighten each set, screwing 1.5 to 2 turns. Congratulations, your installation is complete. Visit OutdoorRooms.com and click on the Support tab for additional helpful videos.